Hi everyone, this essential oil tip is going to be about eucalyptus. And eucalyptus, there's a couple ways that you can use eucalyptus. You can just open up the bottle and smell it right from the bottle. And you can just inhale a couple times. And of course, inhale through your nose. Or you can also, if you have a diffuser, you can put, well, in my diffuser, you take 4 drops. So if I wanted to put 4 drops of eucalyptus in it, I would put that in, and I would, of course, use spring water or filter water for it. I wouldn't recommend using tap because there's just so much pollution in it. But anyway, and another way that you can use eucalyptus is using a neti pot. And this is a stainless steel measuring spoon, and that's what I use when I use essential oils with my neti pot. This one is actually 1/4 of a teaspoon, and you would use this neti salt. And this neti salt actually was at the same store that I got that my mom got my neti pot from, because she was nice enough to actually get me a sure enough neti pot. But so basically the way that you would use the neti pot with eucalyptus is you would take some of this salt, and you don't want to just use any salt. You actually want to use salt that is specifically for a neti pot. And then you scoop some of that in there. Then you would take a drop and drop it into this salt. Then you don't want to do it straight like that. You want to use a carrot oil. So then what I do is I use coconut oil. So I take a dropper and I drop, since I use 1 drop of eucalyptus, then that means I would use 3 drops of the carrot oil, which in this case would be coconut oil. So I would put 3 drops right in this neti salt. Then I would, of course, boil the water for this, because this, you have to boil the water and let it cool down before you can actually put it in your neti pot. And then once that, then you pour the salt in the water with the eucalyptus and the carrot oil that you put in with the eucalyptus. Stir that around until the salt is until the salt is actually dissolved, and then you would insert it. You have to tilt your head, then insert it, and then water runs out the opposite nostril, and then you would tilt your head the other way and do the same exact thing. You don't have to add more eucalyptus when you refill and do the salt again. You can just, there will be residual eucalyptus still in the neti pot from the first time, so you don't have to redo that for the other nostril. And another way that you can do eucalyptus is you can put 1 drop of eucalyptus and mix it with 3 drops of coconut oil or whatever other carrot oil you want to use, and you can actually just rub it on your chest. Not, of course, with your clothes on, but you would just on your skin underneath your shirt. So I hope this will be helpful. Till next time, take care. Bye-bye.